Hey, this is Kurt the Boat Doctor down here at Charlietown. Had a little slight wind out of the south, high tide. We're out here in this, I don't know, 22, 23 foot landing craft. She's a beauty. I think I'm gonna go storm the island of the clams. They're taking over my property. I have to go there and beach her and take over my north section, or I could go to beach of Cape Argo. Anyway, out here, this is a neat little boat actually. Gonna run this thing out. This was his motor that we just installed on here, and the kicker motor as well. It's a 15 pitch prop. Then Tom rewired everything from the new key switch, the command link, the control box, new battery switch, wires, and so on. He did a good job. This is a pretty cool boat. It must have had an inboard diesel in it. I noticed on the gas fill it says diesel, and those are intakes and blowers. So it must have had a diesel jet in it at one time. Bean Construction Marine Fab, huh? So we're gonna see how this bad boy will do. It should do fine. It was pretty much flat, but it's got a 12 degrees, something like a V to it, and then it goes modified for the landing craft part up front. So we'll see. You got high hopes for it. Boat Doctor out.